I'm Matt Bishard in San Francisco for NAREIT's REIT World, our 2018 annual conference. Joining me today is John Kite, Chairman and CEO of Kite Realty Group. John, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks, Matt.
Now, about 80% of Kite Realty Group's annualized base rent is derived from community, neighborhood, and lifestyle centers. How does this strategy help the company's growth over the long run?
Well, I think actually although everybody likes to put the shopping centers in a particular designation, and we define it like everyone else, we're really more focused on the actual real estate versus the building product. And I think the real estate flexibility is really important to us. So the fact that 80% of that comes from those type of properties that have a lot of pliability, if you will, where we can change uses, bring different tenants in, that's really our focus versus what designation it would be.
Now, your company recently announced the closing of a new $250 million 10-year unsecured term loan. How will this deal help the company's debt portfolio and debt maturity schedule?
Well, by doing it, we extended our debt maturity schedule by a full year to 6 years, which is pretty good in one transaction. And there's a lot of flexibility in this unsecured term loan. It's kind of a very unique product, being that it's 10 years. It's prepayable throughout the term. So it gives us a great deal of flexibility as we head into potentially different times in the capital markets. And also it took our 2022 maturities down significantly as well.
And lastly, you previously called 2018 a year of strong operational performance and strategic execution. Can you talk about your portfolio improvements that have contributed to that?
Sure. I mean, just in the last year, we continue to push forward in a lot of our major objectives, like growing our NOI and growing our average base rents. For example, our average base rent was up 5% year over year, almost to $17, back from 3 or 4 years ago it was $13, so that's significant improvement. Also on the leasing front, which is most important, we signed 8 anchor leases year to date versus 2 a year ago. So it gives you an idea of the strength in the market.
Great. John, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Matt. Appreciate it.
For more from REIT World 2018, be sure to visit NAREIT's website, REIT.com.